Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with a video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. Today we're out here with another showcase of the project we got started on Friday in Kansas City. This is a 9-pier project, and these are all going to be King Pier 1s. Those are our pier, really the best pier to use on a stone foundation. So this is, we're bringing out the biggest pier we have for this house. But there's really three main scopes of work we're going to be doing on the project here. Number one is the 9 piers. We're going to be digging 49 inches below the bottom layer of the stone. And then we're going to excavate maybe 2.5 feet inward directly underneath it and get our pier in place to raise that stone back up to its correct level elevation. You can see a lot of the cracking going on the wall right now. We got a lot of cracking on the brick and everything like that. So get this back into place. So a lot of stone work going to be going on this project, but once the piers are done, we'll be going inside getting our supports in place, because the next major part, and you can really see a lot of damage right here, is we're going to rebuild the sections of the stone foundation here on the side of the house that are bowing, leaning outward, completely cracked and jutting out like this one right here. We're going to remove all of that, rebuild it back to vertical. If you take a look at any of our videos from last year, we did a project in Harrisonville that was pretty much the exact same thing. Not quite as long, but the same scope. Removing the damaged sections of the stone wall, rebuilding it back so it was nice and vertical, and most importantly, structurally sound. So that's part 2 of this project. Part 3, we're going to do the renovation work on the inside. That's where we will mortar the interior stone walls with fresh concrete mortar. Again, I would take a look at the video we just finished up in Roland Park from a couple weeks ago. That's a really good video showing the real transformation that particular project can have on a basement. It was a block wall, but the same process is the exact same. We get the walls mortared top to bottom, corner to corner with new concrete mortar, and then we paint it with white Drylock waterproofing paint. So that'll be the last step once the stone foundation is piered back to level and rebuilt back to vertical. So still have quite a ways to go on this project, so stay tuned for more updates. You'll be able to find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.